guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we can scroll through some of their baby stuff. Let's see what they have, guys. So over here you have the plate. I don't think I remember seeing this 3-compartment plate, and they have it in the blue and the red. Then they have the bibs, the Sesame Street bibs. And let's see, that's Elmo. This is Elmo too, but it's pink. Then they have the bottle brushes over here, guys, in the pink, the white, and the blue. See that? And those are Sesame Street. And then these are the regular ones. These are called Angel of Mine. Then you have these cabinet locks. And then you have these corner guards, which I think are really cool. Then you have the ones, the outlet plugs. And you have some of these, the doorknob covers. So those are really nice. And then you have the teething rings, right? No, the rattle with the ring. That's Elmo. Then over here you have the teething ring. And then you have, what is that, Cookie Monster? And then you have the the dropper, the medicine dropper and the spoon. And here you have some more. And here you have the, this is the pacifier holder. And they have it in the pink, and they have it in the blue, and Mickey and Minnie. Then this is really cute, guys. They have the Mickey and Minnie spoon set. This one's in the blue, and then here's Minnie in the pink. That's nice. And here you have the princesses, and that's in the pink. Then you have the spoons over here, the spoon pack. And then over here you have the diaper, disposable bags. Then here you have a nasal aspirator. You have the disposable bags here, and here's the sippy cups. And these are called Angel of Mine. So they come in the blue, and the pink, and the green, and in the white. And here they have some of these bibs. This is called Little Princess. Who makes this? Let's see. So it says Baby Lounge, Born to Shine. So that's really nice. And then they have this over here. Aurora Ball. That's so cute. Then down here they have the bottles. They have them in the pink. And here is Cookie Monster. And these are the Disney ones. These I think are so cute. Disney bottles. Okay, let me see. The pink one has Minnie on it. Then guys, they have Pooh Bear. Isn't that pretty? Disney Baby Pooh Bear. And is this Pooh Bear too? Yep, that's Pooh Bear. Then they have the little sippy cups over there. Okay, so over here they have the washcloths. Sesame Street washcloths. So that's Big Bird and that's Elmo. And here's the Elmo brush with the comb. And then they have this is a Microsoft hand towel with the little piggy. And then here's the little dog, and here's the frog. And then who's this over here? I think that's a little dog, I'm not sure. And then here's the little ducky. Then they have the socks. Look how cute, guys. Isn't that really cute? Look at that one with the sports. And then this one with the spaceship and the animal ones. The sports one, that's so cute. So they have different kind here. And then they have this. Oh, those are the bottle brush covers. And then this right here is the bath puppet. Okay, so they have the chick, and they have this kind, and then they have this kind. This is a fish, and I think that's a whale. I'm not sure. Then they have the diaper rash cream. Then over here, guys, they have the petroleum jelly. They have the baby oil. They have, the petroleum jelly, creamy petroleum jelly. Then here's the regular petroleum jelly right here. Then you have the pacifiers right here. Pooh Bear, Paw Patrol, Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse. And there you have the mermaid. So those are really nice. And here you have a double pack. And this is 0 to 36 months. Then you have the Pedialyte here. And okay, up here you have the beech nut, breakfast on the go, and the foodies on the go. Then up there you have the bedroom air freshener and the baby powder. Then you have the Sesame Street baby lotion. Then you have the Angel of Mine baby bath, and the shampoo and conditioner right there, and the body wash. So you have the Pedialyte over here in the grape, and there it is in the orange. And then here is the baby oil gel. I don't think I've ever used baby oil gel, but they have it here. There's the lotion. There's the creamy baby oil, and there's the lotion, and there's the baby powder. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to just scroll through their little baby section, and I'll see you in another video.